So for today's video, itong Mazda CX-5, hindi gumagana yung yung high beam. Hindi gumagana yung high beam. So tatry natin palitan yung yung switch. Okay, dumating na from eBay. Ito. Mazda. So hopefully parehas. Hindi ko pa na-check pala kung parehas. Parehas naman. Mukha naman siyang parehas. Ano to surplus. Sabi plug and play lang daw eh. Tara, install natin. Okay, after removing the two screws, one here and one there, you can pop it out. Pop the upper half. Okay. Yeah, this we're gonna replace. We have access. Okay, so we need to press something to release it. You need to turn your steering wheel to expose this part right here and press it while you pull it out. So that is what's locking it in. So this guy here, press it. It's out. I didn't think this is too easy. It's too easy. So let's compare. They look the same. They look the same. Color combination is different. I don't know. Let's put it inside. Hi guys, so ganun lang magpalit ng ng Mazda. Actually, pare-parehas to sa mga Mazda eh. Yung headlight switch. So madali lang pala, tapos plug and play. Kailangan ikutin mo lang yung steering wheel para ma-clear mo yung yung tab na release tab. Okay, sadly hindi na fix yung hinahanap kong solusyon, walang high beam. Pero at least na-eliminate ko na hindi problema yung switch. So balik ako sa engine bay. So yun guys, plug and play. Pare-pare siya sa pati sa ibang versions ng Mazda like Mazda 3, Mazda 6. Ganito rin yung pag-replace. Okay, guys, that's it.